What's up, guys? So before I start, I just want to say thank you guys for the last video. I had a lot of views. I have around 25 views. May seem not a lot, but for me, the past videos, I was stuck at like 5 to 10 views, so I'm grateful for that. And yeah, so today I made 2.5k trading NASDAQ using my strategy, and in less than 5 minutes. So yeah, let me start. So today we had news at 10, so we had to be careful, and if you were to hold past 10, maybe break even or take partials, okay? But me personally, I just took a 1 to 2.5 today and I was out. So let's start. What we do, we mark the session high and low and previous day's highs and low too. So like that. Then session high and low, it was all the way there, so I didn't mark it, and this was the high. From there I went on to the 4 hour to see if there's any fair value gap. I seen this one and this one, this one and this one. Scaled out to the 1 hour time frame, adjusted if needed, so right there, and this we can leave it right there. So before I start, as you can see, 10, we filled in this fair value gap, then rejected, so that was nice, but that wasn't our trade. Our trade was right there. Let's go on the 5 minute, and here you can see, so at 9:30 the first point that we filled was right there. So Asia high got filled first and then rejected up there. From there London rejected, and it's all wicks, so we have here and here confirmation. So I just waited for the next candle to either hit this point or this point. It did this point, which was good. We entered from here. Why? Because we got our confirmation. And from there I aimed all the way to there, so 2.56, and I could have held more, so before 10, so right there, 10 was right there. So actually I could have made a 10 RR on my trade, so that mean, because I'm risking 1k, I could have made 10k today, but I can't make 10k because I'm on my combine right now. So I aimed for a 1 to 2, and that was my max. I'm using a 100k combine, so my max was 3k for today, let's say. But yeah, very easy, very clean, less than 5 minutes, as you can see. 35 it hit it, then just start dropping, and from there, yeah, that was it. Then at 10 we see that it filled the fair value gap, then rejected, and from there, with the news and everything, I wasn't even looking for a trade. I got my trade already, but this is what happened on the 1 hour. So yeah, I mean, easy day, clean day. And yeah, if you guys want to see daily recap, just subscribe. I'll be full transparent. You guys already knew my strategy, so yeah, see you guys in the next one.